When it comes to the keto diet, we were keto before keto. In the early 2000s, we were creating a protein shake. And the protein shake needed to be sweetened naturally. And it was like, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna sweeten it with? And so that's how Swerve was born. We started playing around with ingredients, putting those things together, mixing them in that protein shake, and it tasted phenomenal. So we decided, well, what's next? Take it out of the protein shake and start selling it on its own. What makes Swerve super unique is that blend of erythritol and prebiotic fibers that have really optimized it for baking and cooking. That's what really makes it 0 calorie and the ability to be non-glycemic, so not impacting your blood sugar as well. You can use Swerve anywhere you would use sugar. I don't think I could count all of the favorite ways that I love using Swerve. Could be just a traditional recipe where we've removed sugar and replaced with Swerve, or it could be a full keto recipe like peanut butter and chocolate fat bombs. You can't go wrong. That's probably my go-to on a regular basis, those peanut butter and chocolate fat bombs, and I'm not even keto. If you think about it, we want our sweeteners to taste like sugar. Swerve tastes like sugar. It's incredible. If you like sugar, you like Swerve.